Yo, what up guys? Let's go ahead and look at this Ruipro 8K detachable pure fiber HDMI cable 2.1. This is rated to go up to 100 meters. So this cable itself is 100 meters. What's inside the box, guys? It's basically, of course, you have the user manual, which is very much straightforward. When you look at it, it's very easy to follow. The next one we have here, guys, is the fiber cable. As you can see, there you go. But let's go ahead and open first the other parts here. We have a USB to micro USB, two of them. And then we have the HDMI adapter that can basically adapt to that fiber cable. So let's try to open this one up first. It's pretty much sealed so that it's not going to accumulate some dirt inside. There you go. That's where you plug in the fiber and you have that USB micro port out there. So it is marked as source. The other end is a display. You will see it later on. That's how it looks like. This is covered with metal, so it's tough. As always, from Ruipro. At the back here, you can see the marking of Ruipro, which is really cool. Now, two of them, pair by pair. The other one is display, the other one is source. And the USB cable is going to be used for some sort of power. Alright, coming up next here is the cable itself. And this is the end that is pluggable to that adapter that we have seen earlier. Okay, so we can also remove this one and try to plug in the adapters that we have. So it's properly sealed as well, so that it's not going to accumulate the dirt. Okay, so let's try to open this one. There you go. Unplug that, easy. Then grab the other adapter here. Plug it, as simple as that. So it will lock. Then we can do the same thing to the other end of this cable. So remove the cover as well. Then, yep, we plug it. There you go. Now it's time to use this one on the use case. Our use case right now is a big gymnasium where it can house 3,000 people. We have the LED wall in front that is actually 4K. So the fiber cable will run into the ceiling going in front, but for these test purposes, we can just lay it on the floor since there are no people around. Now, before we get into the implementation, I want to show you the first device that we are using. It's a HDMI cable going to a cat or Ethernet cable that is NEXI HDMI extender. The problems that we've been having here is a delay of the synchronization of the audio and video. But I believe that with the implementation of this fiber cable from Ruipro, we'd be able to solve that. So as you can see it here, this is the sender, the other end is the receiver, and this is 1080p. Now we're not able to maximize the quality of our LED screen, so with the use of the Ruipro 8K, we should be able to do that one. All right? Now going back to the implementation of this fiber cable from Ruipro, we are going to plug the source into this computer, which is sending the display into a 100-meter distance going in front. Now, the length of this gymnasium is not 100 meters from this computer to the other side, but if you're going to run a cable, it would go up to the ceiling, going down to that display, it would really reach 100 meters. So, after plugging that one in, we are going to temporarily roll out the cable going in front. As you can see it here, it's really long, but of course, when we really implement this one, like what I told you, the 100 meters is just enough because it's going to go up the ceiling and going in front there. So my friend Rustan is trying to plug this one on the controller of the LED wall. And here we're trying to fix some of the cables here that are not stretched out. Back here to the PC, I just want to make sure that the PC is connected to the source adapter, which is going to serve as a source of the display. So this is using a two-display system. The computer itself that has a monitor will display the first display, and then the second display would show up in that LED wall as well. So on the LED wall area, you should be using the display adapter, which you can see it here. So this is the video controller for the LED wall, and by the time we power it on, it should be able to display the secondary display of the computer. All right? By the way, guys, this is the second day that we are fixing this one, because yesterday when we were should be testing, we had a blackout, so we cannot open up the computer and the LED screen. Right now, we have full power. We fixed the Ruipro cable lying on the floor, so it went up the ceiling. So it's time to test this display system. We're still waiting for the display, configuring it here on the computer. By any moment now, we should be able to see the desktop extended monitor. Here we go. There you go. That's a default wallpaper of Windows 11. And as you can see, it displays crisp. Now, I don't know if basically for us, one of the noticeable difference here, guys, is the color. As compared to the one that we're using, it is more pale. This one has more colors because probably it is 4K. It's running 4K. And the original one that we have been using before was running at 1080p. That is 1920 by 1080. Now, this one is the 4K display. Now, let's try to play a video so that we can see. There you go. It's smoothly playing. And of course, the colors, you can see the colors. Wow, so smooth. And here's a closer look so that you can have a better angle of it. Now, Ruipro sent this fiber cable to us so that we can test, and probably a solution for the problem that we've been having for quite some time. So anyways, guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, share this one, and yeah, see you in the next one, guys. Bye-bye.